Hey gearheads, if you're still running factory drum brakes on your 1947 to 1953 Chevy truck, you already know stopping can be sketchy. Today, we're upgrading to something that completely transforms how your truck drives. This is the CPP Complete Disc Brake Kit with a Firewall-Mounted Booster. This kit is designed specifically for 1947-1953 Chevy half-ton trucks, and the best part? It bolts right onto your OEM drum brake spindles. No spindle swaps, no complicated fabrication. You're getting a complete system that includes front disc brake conversion, 11-inch rotors, single piston calipers, firewall-mounted power brake booster, swing pedal assembly, master cylinder, everything working together as one match system. Let's be real. Old drum brakes fade under heat, require more pedal effort, don't inspire confidence in modern traffic. This CPP kit fixes all of that. Here are the benefits. A massive improvement in stopping power. Disc brakes provide consistent, reliable braking, especially in emergency situations. This kit includes an 8-inch dual diaphragm booster, which multiplies your braking force. That means less pedal effort, more control, safer driving. Instead of a frame-mounted booster, this puts everything up on the firewall, which provides better pedal feel. Easier access for maintenance. Modern 5-inch by 4 3/4-inch bolt pattern. Perfect if you're upgrading wheels or going for that pro touring look. This isn't just a generic disc conversion. CPP engineered this as a complete match system, meaning brake calipers sized correctly for the master cylinder. Booster matched for proper assist. Components designed to work together. That eliminates the guesswork you get when piecing together parts. One of the biggest selling points of this kit is its design for easy installation. Here's the basic process. Remove your factory drum components, bolt on the disc brake brackets and rotors, install calipers and hoses, mount the firewall booster and pedal assembly, hook up brake lines and bleed the system. No crazy fabrication required, just a clean, straightforward upgrade. Basically, if you actually drive your truck, this is one of the best upgrades you can make. At the end of the day, this isn't just a brake upgrade, it's a confidence upgrade. You'll feel it the first time you hit the pedal with smoother stops, shorter stopping distance, and way more control. And that's what makes your classic truck actually enjoyable to drive. If you're ready to upgrade your stopping power, I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.